Hi, welcome to the course. If else, if else, if else is nothing but ladder if. You can also called as a ladder, which you have to check the condition one after the other, one after the other, one after the other. Right? Sequentially, you have to check the condition. How do you use that? Right? If you want to check the multiple conditions or if you want to take the multiple decision in your program, you need to use the ladder if statement, which is more important. Need to use multiple decision or multiple decision taken in your logical programs. So always use the ladder. So it is nothing but multi-branch decision or the multi-branch making statement. So if first if condition is true, what is the ladder if condition is? If first if condition is true, then remaining if will not be executed. So first condition itself is true, remaining are not executed. If first if condition is false, it is going to check the second if condition. Second if condition will be evaluated, and if it is true, then remaining if condition will not be executed. Right? The first if condition is true, the rest will not executed. If at all first if condition is false, then second if condition will going to evaluated. Then second if condition evaluated, it is true, the remaining if condition will not be executed. Right? So like that, even second if is false, will going to execute a third if condition. That is true, rest of them will not be executed. Then you can check one after the other in sequential manner. That's way it is called as a ladder if condition. Is also called as a ladder if condition. Ladder will be like this only, right? So ladder, it check one condition, second condition, third condition, fourth condition. If at all this will be true, directly can reach. If this is false, we'll go and check. We'll check this condition, then it will go like that. Right? So if else ladder flowchart will be like this. The condition 1 is, as you told, condition 1 is true, will execute the next condition. Will going to execute the block of which comes, skip all the condition. Right? It will go ladder way. If at all false, it will go and check the second condition. Then it is true, this part of the block will be executed and will follow the rest of it. If at all it is false, we'll go and check the condition 3. If that is a true, we'll execute this part, then it'll follow the rest of it. If it is false, we'll go and check the other condition, and it is, suppose this will be false, we'll go and check like that. We'll keep on checking it one after the other. This way can write the flow chart for any given problems. So I think hope you understand when you explain the descriptive way as well as in the flow chart, picturize it and try to use that in your program. Let's see one of the example how to use that ladder kind of if else statement. So I need to check the given number, either 0 or positive or negative number. So first you have to, as usual, go with the preprocessor void main, then read one number, right? So then you have to read this number from the user, then you have to check the condition. If at all a is greater than 0, then that is a positive number. That is a positive number. Else it is a is not a greater than 0, then again else if you have to check that a is equal to 0, then it is print given number is 0. No, if at all it is a false, then else it is print negative number. That these two are false, right? This last number will be printing it, right? Like that, you can try any number, any kind of logic. If you want to use the multiple condition checking, always use the ladder if condition, ladder if else statement, right? So look at this. Thank you. With this, I hope you understand the second most important ladder if else is nothing but ladder if. So I'll come up in the next video with a more important nested if, else if. So until then, keep watching this videos. Do you have any doubt? Please have to comment in my comment box. I'll be answer it in the next video. Thank you.